Applied Machinery has a range of high-quality CNC plasma cutting systems that makes in-house sheet metal profiling a viable option for almost any business. Hi, I'm Tim Webster and welcome. The Pro Plas series of plasma cutters are complete packages with industry-standard Hypertherm PowerMax plasma sources and FastCam professional software as standard. There are systems to suit all requirements and budgets, sheet capacities from 1500 to 3000 up to 2000 by 6000 millimeters, and plasma sources from 45 to 125 amps. The FastCam software is the perfect complement for profiling, making it simple for users to get started producing high-quality profiles quickly, accurately, and with minimum waste. And all new CNC plasma cutting systems from Applied Machinery come with starter packs of consumables valued at $300. You can find out more by calling 03 9706 8066 or all the W's appliedmachinery.com.au. I'm Tim Webster. Thanks for watching.